yummy salt mackerel with ground food, real Jamaican style. You want to see how I prep this one? Just keep on watching now. This one is perfect for a weekend breakfast. Yes, Sunday morning or Saturday morning. Help to balance out the week. Yes, guys. So let's get straight to the kitchen, guys. Do enjoy watching. Welcome back, guys. Today we are making some salt mackerel. Fry up salt mackerel. Here's my salt mackerel. I'm going to put this to boil. And I'll change the water around 2 times just to get rid of most of the salt. Okay, guys, here I have some flour. I'm going to add some cornmeal. Making cornmeal dumpling with our salt mackerel. Add some salt and enough water to form a dough. Some salt to my water before we add the rest of stuff. In the meanwhile, I'm going to peel my sweet potato and my bananas. Okay, guys, here is my ground food that I'll be using: sweet potato, Irish potato, pumpkin, my green banana, and of course our cornmeal dumpling. Now I'm just going to prep these because my water has come to a boil already. I'm going to prep these first because these take longer to cook than this. So let me put these together, guys. Okay, here we have our sweet potato and our Irish potato. I just rinse these well. Leave them in the water a little while we make our dumpling, okay? Okay. See, nice soft dough. You make these as big as you want or as small as you want. And you guys see me make dumpling a million times. Okay, guys, all done. Now we're going to add them to our boiling water. Okay, guys, water boiling away. Now let's add our dumpling. And also our sweet potatoes and our Irish. Okay, guys, we're adding our bananas and the tip for not staining our hand, some cooking oil. Okay, and we're just going to pour these peel and add to our pat. Nice. And we'll add this straight to the pot. Add them to the pot. Stir. Add our pumpkin, and I'm going to put some more boiling water in this pot. We just cover and allow to cook. Okay guys, we're prepping our stuff for our salt mackerel. I have assorted bell pepper, hot pepper, garlic, onion, tomato, and I'm going to wash these and come back. Okay, now we're going to cut these in strips. Okay guys, all done. Now I'm just going to put these aside and wait. Okay guys, our salt mackerel finished. Now I'm just going to allow it to cool down a little, then we can break it in chunks. Okay guys, now we're going to break it up in chunks. Now we're going to heat up some oil. Okay, let's add some oil guys to fry up. Allow the oil to heat up, then we add our seasoning. Time to add our seasoning. Just allow it to saute for at least 2 minutes. We still need a little crunch on our bell peppers and stuff. This is just to give it some flavor, the thyme. I think we can add our salt mackerel now. I love this part, guys, the center bone. We just start to combine. Add our black pepper. And a little vinegar. And this ready to serve, guys. This ready to serve. Now we can turn off the stove. And I think we're ready to serve. Everything cooked. Now I can serve my breakfast. Okay. Here's a finished look, guys. Breakfast served. Nice filling breakfast for the weekend. Yes. Hope you guys enjoy this video. To my supporters, appreciate you all. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please tap that subscribe button and join the family. And another thing, guys, please put a notification bell on, so as soon as I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified, okay? And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.